The laser scan confirms significant metal loss on the undercarriage.
We need to stabilize the wheels before we attempt any movement.
Run the laser scan again on the wheel housing.
It confirms the depth of the corrosion, sir.
The boiler pressure readings are dangerously low.
Corrosion is extensive on the lower chassis.
Agreed. We'll start the lift sequence now, very slowly.
Maintain tension at 5th kilonewtons. Watch the starboard side cabling.
Reading steady, lid.
The chains are rusted solid. We can't move it like this.
The schematic shows the hinges are the strongest point. We lift there.
Understood.
The center support line here is compromised. We have to shift the load distribution.
That means adjusting the crane angle. It's tight up there.
I know, but it's the only way to ensure stability.
Before fixing anything, it must be understood.
You can't restore what you don't fully expose.
Right. Idee spullen staat bij. West Ray.
You can't restore what you don't fully expose.
There is no shortcut back from decay. Restoration always starts with removal. The first layer always hides the deepest damage. The first layer always hides the deepest damage.
What was hidden now breathes stale air again.
What was hidden now breathes stale air again.
The body lets go, piece by piece.
Nothing moves until everything is freed.
The heart must come out to be replaced.
The first layer always hides the deepest damage.
What was hidden now breathes stale air again.
The body lets go, piece by piece.
The heart must come out to be replaced.
Some damage can't be fixed, only understood. Some damage can't be fixed, only understood.
Restoration doesn't mean saving everything.
Restoration doesn't mean saving everything.
To move forward, something must be left behind. To move forward, something must be left behind. Every piece must justify its existence.
Every piece must justify its existence.
What remains is the truth.
Nothing is cleaned while assembled. Nothing is cleaned while assembled. Before life returns, every part must breathe.
The tolerances look good on this mount.
Yes, the alignment is perfect. We can proceed.
Every bolt must fit exactly.
Check alignment on the starboard side.
Perfect clearance.
Torque to spec. Verified.
Look at the depth of this crack. It goes beyond the surface layer.
Yes, the integrity is compromised. Mark it for immediate repair.
Before repair, everything must be stripped bare. Before repair, everything must be stripped bare. Rust doesn't fall off. It must be forced away.
Surface rust lies. Deep damage tells the truth.
Surface rust lies. Deep damage tells the truth.
If it isn't straight, it won't survive.
Bare metal never stays bare.
The foundation of movement begins with precision.
Give it a slow spin. Let's check the balance. Looks good. Smooth rotation.
The heart connects to the veins. The skeleton begins to wear its skin again. Color breathes life where rust once ruled.
Bring it down just a little more.
All right, hooks are secure.
Okay, clear to lift. Take the tension slowly.
No detail is too small to matter.